how I start everything off.
Sup, fuckers? Sup, everybody? Joshua Valtrades here, and we got a special day for you, planned all out. Yes, oh, hello.
Hello.
I have a friend. There's those, I have
It's
those.
a fucking miracle.
I have those. Anyway.
He's paying me. I'm an actor. I'm a crisis actor.
I don't even know how to say this, but I'm excited as shit. We're going to a car show. The biggest one in Canada, I presume? Yes?
Yep, largest in Canada.
Yes. And it's in Toronto, obviously, because Toronto. But holy crap, I'm very excited. As most of you probably know, car guy, considering I had a Camaro, and I worked as a mechanic, and I will be working as a mechanic when I go back, but yeah. So we're gonna check out a bunch of cool ass cars. A bunch of cool cars. Very excited, so let's go do it. How smart are we?
Very. That was my fault. I fucking jumped on the train.
Whoops, wrong train.
Did not fucking pay.
We're trying to go north, not south. Wow. Alright. Where is it? So bright out. Well, good thing we figured that one out.
Return back to the office.
We're alive.
We braved the fucking subway.
We did it. We braved the subway. We made it. We're alive. Now we gotta find Scott. He's at McDonald's. I don't know where the McDonald's is down here. I have no fucking idea. Where's the McDonald's here?
Fucking life.
See, this is what I came to Toronto for. It's pretty. And that makes me a little bit sick. Oh, I can't look up.
Don't look.
Oh,
Oi, no, that one's.
I actually hate heights, so that's the thing. All right, let's go get Scott.
Shit, like.
So now do you know where you're going at all?
No, I still can't
I
find
know
him.
how to get to the
I
convention
can't, I can't find Scott.
What's up?
So, all right. How ready are you for these cars? Some
I'm
Hondas
ready.
as well? You want some VTEC in your life?
Yeah.
Need more VTEC?
Oh yeah.
I always need more VTEC. All right. Finally, we're ready to go. I think, but I gotta use the washroom. If we can find a washroom. This looks like I
Why
couldn't
would you
afford this in
vlog?
20 years. Huh?
Why would you vlog?
Because people need to know about my personal life. Right? Just gotta give them my address and I actually live. And we made it. I'm just gonna use auto ISO because it's a lot easier. Maybe, for the most part. We'll see what happens. Alright, we should probably find CodeCheck. Oh yeah, here we are. We're looking at the rims and the cars. I love it. Sweet. I know you're not excited as I am, but
No, I'm not.
hey, you wanted to take me here.
I did.
Don't even lie. That's the thumbnail right there.
That's a good picture. Get
That is.
take one from like farther or timer.
Do you want to take a picture for us?
I'll go on the back after.
Yeah, you're gonna get locked away.
No yeah.
You get locked away for trying to take one of the cars here.
No, I'll drive it home right out of here.
Yeah, take the Type R cigarette out of here.
I'll get away too. I'll go to
You know
Mexico.
that VTEC, right?
Try and get one
What
from like the
happened?
back so you can get the lights in it too.
What'd you do?
Take a picture. Can you get the lights in it? Take one looking at you and one looking this way.
Alright, let's go, come on. Let's check out.
Oh my god.
In front of the other one,
gonna be sick. Dude. That was fun. True, the ball, that's, yeah. She's not very good.
Catch the ball.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, she got one.
You guys, you filmed
Oh,
the
yeah.
whole thing.
I filmed the whole thing.
Of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Oh my god.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do that. That's
Bad
a message to
idea.
take. Yeah. Thank you for the positive message. Don't drink and
Don't
drive.
drink and drive. Why does it go this far forward?
So I decided to buy a new car. 2018 Chevy Impala, telescopic everything, telescopic penis if you really wish.
Your house.
Just gotta play with it a little bit right under the... It has wireless phone charging. I'm looking at you, but not the camera. Wireless phone charging. That's what I need in my life. Bluetooth,
It's
Bose.
actually crazy the amount of things this does. It's listening to it. Finally got to say.
Noise. Yeah, but we decided... I got the Impala. Scott wanted the ZL1 Camaro. And I like it. How fast is it, buddy? Going supersonic, bruh. I think he burnt the clutch.
It's actually so hard to figure out.
Yeah.
Like, if I was right,
Like, these windows are so narrow. Look at this. Like, how do I even describe this? Like, look. These windows are so narrow.
You can describe it as my kind of car.
No, you're sitting on the ground, and like you can barely see off the windshield. Dude, how do you see out the fucking rear window? Honestly, it's so hard. Like, it's such a small, compressed car, but like, it's sick. feel, buddy?
That's great.
Jane, I don't fit.
Update, Josh can't fit in the fucking car.
This is made for me.
Looks
dude.
like I'm never getting a
See the
Corvette.
mirror? Well, man, honestly, I'd be scared to drive it. Like,
Yeah.
just even being in it is scary.
Dude, it's fucking terrifying.
Look at that. Flip, you can adjust the diff.
What?
You can adjust it.
Bro, I hate looking at things I can't afford. This is the wildest thing.
That's crazy.
You're
just filming this?
Yes, I've been filming this entire time. It's
Road select.
kind of my job.
Dash control off. Always slow off.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Whatever you just did messed up the signal.
It's not doing it.
I know.
It's close.
A lot of these trucks are Alpine equipped.
Oh shit, we're losing stock.